Hello students, how are you? We are going to start Unit 5th Yoga Part 4 Introduction of Asana, Pranayam, Meditation and Yogic Kriyas. Meaning of Asana. Asana represents sitting condition or position of the body which contributes to the stability of the body and a sense of well-being. Asana is the state of body in which it may be easily as a matter of fact that ability to sit comfortable for an extended period of time in any position is called asana. Classification of asana. There are three categories of classification of asanas. First one is meditative asana, second relaxative asana, third cultural or corrective asanas. First one is meditative asana. Meditative asana eliminate physiological disturbance with the help of mental activity since this decreases the metabolic activity of the body to the bare minimum and hence get the mind free from all physical disturbance. Siddhasana, Gomukhasana, Padmasana, Samasana are the main asanas of meditative asanas. Second, relaxative asana. Makrasana and Savasana are the main asanas of relaxative asana. The practice of these asanas removes fatigue and relax an individual mentally and physically. An individual gets complete relaxation after performing such asanas. Third, cultural or corrective asana. Cultural asana helps to correct the functional disorder and aid in the upholding of the inner function harmony. In these asanas are necessary Sarvangasana, Matsasyasana, Sirsasana, Salbhasana, Dhanurasana, Chakrasana, Mayurasana, etc. Next, meaning and types of pranayam. Pranayam is a combination of two Sanskrit words, prana, which denotes the fundamentals life force means vital energy, and yama, which denotes control or expansion. So pranayam means the control regulation of prana. There are three parts of pranayam. First one is purka. It is a phase of inhalation. Second, rishka. It is a phase of exhalation. Third, kumka. It is a phase of retention of breath. Types of pranayam. Suryavardhi pranayam. Second, Ujjayi pranayam. Third, Sitkari pranayam. Fourth, Shitali pranayam. Fifth, Bhastrika pranayam. Sixth, Bhramari pranayam. 7. Palavani pranayam. 8th, Morcha pranayam. Next, meaning of meditation. It is a complete concentration of mind over a period of time without any distraction. Dhyana is a process of complete disability of mind according to Patanjali, the concentration of chitta, mind on an impulses without any divergence is called dhyana. Indeed, the state of deep concentration or state of dhyana. Benefits of meditation. First one is it improves one's concentration and efficiency. Second, inner peace is one of the first fruits of meditation. Third, in meditation, The mind is clear, relaxed, and inwardly focused. Next, meaning of Shuddhi Kriyas. Human body is like a machine, similar to a machine which requires inner and outer cleanness for smooth and systematic functioning. Human machine also need inner and outer cleanness for proper functioning. These are techniques for cleansing and purifying the body and mind. Various kriyas are niti, dhoti, basti, navli, tratak, and kapalbhati. Okay, thanks to all.